Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Princess Udori, and I'm back with not really a full makeup tutorial, but I'm back with an eyeshadow tutorial. I'm just going to be showing you guys a cut crease, detail cut crease. But before I go further, I'm just going to moisturize my lip using my Vaseline lip therapy to moisturize my lip. I love me some good moisture, guys. And I'm baking. Yes, I'm just gonna bake because I don't know how bad the fallout from the eyeshadow is gonna be. Yucks. I don't know. So I have a tons of selected eyeshadow I really want to use for this look, but I can only use a few. Like can you see that? It's so much, but I'll just go along with the look and what it comes out with. But it's a cut crease, same. I already primed my eyes and I use concealer to prime my eyes. I'm gonna go in with this shade called Jane, I think. Yeah, Jane, from my Blossom Cosmetic eyeshadow ice cream palette, and just use that as a transition shade. This transition shade, it's popping. Next, I'm gonna go in with this shade called Ima and use that to just deepen that whole coloring thing going on already. Oh my god! I think I want to get purple in this whole cut crease look. You guys think? I knew purple was going to go there. So I'm gonna take this shade, this purple shade, and it's called Jasmine, my baby. It's one of my favorite shades. I'm just gonna create like a line right here. Let me come closer so you guys have a full view of what I'm doing. Let's create a line with that purple shade. I'm using it to just cut the crease on ground before anything happens. I'm gonna go in with that blending brush and blend that purple out again. Next, I'm gonna go in with black to sort of deepen that. I find that I'm using just this palette after all the many palettes you get. So you can really have everything in one palette, but you're looking at this one, you're saying, oh, this one is fine. You're looking at this one, yeah, oh, this one is fine, and you want to use everything for one particular look. I'm taking black shade and it's called Monica. I'm just gonna use that on the same line I use that purple as well. This is the final step of deepening my crease, guys, because deepening your crease in cut crease is what makes the cut crease more defined. So I'm going to go in with my Ferrari concealer to just cut my crease. I'm taking the second lightest shade. I think I should take white. I'm taking white because it's going to pop more. Now, the lighter the shade of your concealer, it helps the crease to be more defined. And the more deeper your transition is, it helps your cut crease to be more defined. So to help me cut my crease, I'm just going to put this line right here. Like just here. I'm going to go above my crease line, cut crease. I'm gonna go above my crease line. Like when I open my eyes like this folded line, I'm gonna go above it. I'm going above it because it helps my concealer not to crease. Like even if my concealer crease, it will not be as bad as when it's on the line. Once your eyes start creasing, everything just goes like obvious, something is happening to this person's makeup, Cut my crease. I love the consistency of this concealer in cutting of crease. Consistency is amazing. I think I should really go back to be doing my cut crease because at a point I really love cut crease every day. That's one thing makeup, like, it has its time. Like, there's a season you will like lipstick, there's a season, like, just as life is, like, there are seasons you like doing some certain things, and there are seasons like you don't like doing some certain things. And I feel it comes as well with the weather. Weather is like a big deal when it comes to, adjusting to a particular type of makeup that you, something that you even find out that you really don't love doing, but you just do it. You get like, without you even knowing what's behind you loving this whole particular thing. So I decided to cut my crease together just to, have an equal view of both of them. I think I like them like this. Yucks. I think I like them like this. What do you guys think? I know you love them like this. You know. I'm playing too much right now. I'm gonna blend that concealer again, especially where my eye creases. And I'm going with my BH Take Me to Brazil palette. I'm taking these two yellow shades. I'm just mixing them and putting them on my eyes. You get me, right? You get me. You do, right? You do. You do. And just placing it on my eyes. I don't think this yellow will be as cookie as the other yellow in this palette. Let's test this one. I think this one will go well. I'm taking this yellow from this eyeshadow and just cook it in my eyes. This eyeshadow is super pigmented. Like, can you see that? Super pigmented. Whoa, I love this one far more than the BH. The particular yellow shade I really love using from the BH is done. Like, it has hit pan, it's finished, you don't finish, you don't empty, like it's finished. That's like my favorite yellow shade, and I think I have that here. I'm in Christ, and I know where I stand. Oh, this looks so cute. I'm just go ahead and line my eyes using this eyeliner to line, give me a nice wing line. This look deserves a really nice wing. I'm just going to dust on the powder first. Before I go into extend my eyeliner, I'm going to dust up this excess powder underneath my eye. Like, this thing really feels like a lip therapy. It's above my lip and I'm feeling this. I don't know the word to use to describe how I'm feeling. Like, I don't know. Something that's just there, Dictionary is not in my head, so the word is not there to just pick it out and bomb blast it. If you get me. If you get me. When you just want to say something and you're feeling it very hot and the right word is not coming forth. That's what's wrong with me right now. Extending my eyeliner. Going with my black pencil from Oceans, I'm just going to line my waterline. To extend it under the eyes. I think I want to take this whole lip therapy thing out of my lip. It's making me feel so uncomfortable. I'm taking my Miss Yahoo combination makeup palette. It's both eyeshadow, blushes, and the rest highlight. But unfortunately, the highlight broke. You know how painful that is. I'm going to take this pink shade and just put that underneath my eyes. Smoke it out with them eyeliner them. I love shimmer shade for underneath my eyes. It's been a while without lashes. Like, I really don't do lashes as much as I should be doing it. I'm going to take this red cherry lashes and just fix them. It's in the number 160. I think this is their biggest, like their fluffiest eyelash. So what I do is use a bond. This is the bond. This is the bond I use, and I'm just going to go in with the back of any of my brushes and just, you know, apply that. I think I had a message on my Instagram saying you don't really do lashes. Are you against lashes? I am not against lashes. It's that simple. I'm not against the fact that I don't do it on a regular. Doesn't mean I am against it. Just trying to make it get tacky a bit before putting that on my eyes. And I didn't cut the side of these lashes for some reason. I don't know why I didn't do that. One of the ways to help you be a guru in your eyelash is when the both ends of your eyelash are super tacky. With glue, not like super tacky. I will glue. It helps a lot. Like the both ends like this, I will glue. It helps a lot. Like even when the middle sticks out, the two is still sitting fine and well. I hope I didn't cover the first part with a mirror. Oh my god, this is getting to my hair. Are you serious? Just to remove it. It's a whole problem. I hope this thing doesn't have any effect. It doesn't have any effect on my skin. Like, I hate those things that just react. Like, little things you just react to your skin. My skin is not that sensitive though, but I am that sensitive to my skin. I'm already in the video making spirit. Like, I really want to do video. I'm pressing the forces with my natural lashes. So yes guys, this is the look. I think basically everybody, if you have watched my video before, or even if you're new, let me just say from the beginning, I like overlining my lip with a brown pencil and not using anything at the center. That's what I'm going to be doing for this look. I'm going to take the setting spray and just set my face. It's from Kiss Beauty. It's their 3X Aloe Vera Makeup Fix setting spray. Shake it, shake it, shake it. That's a whole lot. So yes guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Please guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yeah, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe. And yes, I love you more, but God loves you most.